Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the workbook is editable and finding the focus cell. Click any editable cell or use the arrow keys to move. This starts removing focus. Once done, pick a nearby cell you want to become active. Make sure to save before bulk actions so you can undo if needed. If you're using a laptop without a full keyboard, use the mouse to click a visible cell. This immediately transfers focus and clears the original cell's highlight. Now you'll actually move focus using one of 3 reliable methods. Click any cell to shift focus instantly and remove the prior highlight. This is fastest. Alternatively, press Escape to exit edit mode if you're typing, then use arrow keys or Enter to land on a new cell. For precise jumps, press Ctrl+G, type the cell reference and press Enter to jump focus. Each method clears the old active cell, because X cell always highlights the one currently selected. Finish by confirming the thick border appears on the new active cell and the previous cell no longer shows focus. If focus stubbornly returns, save, close, and reopen the workbook. That often resets UI glitches. Make sure no add-ins are forcing selection changes, disable them, or start X cell in safe mode to test. If you were in edit mode, remember pressing ESC first is crucial. One key troubleshooting tip: if Excel behaves oddly, restarting Excel clears transient selection states.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.